Are you looking for the best exercise bike? In this video, we'll break down the top exercise bikes available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best exercise bikes on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Exerpeutic 4000 Magnetic Recumbent Bike. Who said a fat-blasting cardio workout session had to be unpleasant? No one who has ever eased himself or herself into the plush seat of an Exerpeutic 4000 recumbent bike certainly. This superlative home exercise stationary bike has a generously padded seat that cradles your core while promoting airflow, a mesh backrest that offers plenty of support while keeping you cool, and padded armrests that keep your elbows and forearms comfortable even as your legs churn away at the bike's magnetic tension system. The Exerpeutic 4000 offers 24 different levels of tension, so whether you're just starting to exercise for the first time in years or you're looking for a way to stay fit between century rides, this bike will offer just the right level of challenge for you. It also comes with 12 workout programs, so you can tailor your exercise sessions to suit your fitness goals and your personal preferences. While you're using the bike, an onboard computer will track metrics including distance, RPMs, your heart rate, and even the watts of power generated. And while this is a larger bike that will take up some room in the home, it's lightweight enough to be rolled into the corner after each use. One satisfied owner calls it sturdy and super quiet at all speeds, adding that the seat is extremely comfortable. Another buyer says the Exerpeutic 4000 Magnetic Recumbent Bike offers everything I want in a stationary bike. A TopFitnessMag.com review calls the Exerpeutic 4000 a great choice for people who are of a medium to bigger proportion who want to shed the extra pounds. A write-up from IndoorFitness.com praises the advanced console the bike features, noting its many programs and its connection to a fitness tracker app. At number 2, we have the Marcy Recumbent MagCycle Exercise Bike. Let's be clear here, the Marcy Recumbent MagCycle is a pretty basic stationary bike. The onboard computer tracks time, speed, distance, and approximates likely calories burned, but it's not going to offer you customizable workout programs like you get with many more advanced, expensive exercise bikes. But what this low-cost bike will do is help you burn calories, lose weight, and tone your muscles, which is what all those other bikes do anyway, just with fancier features. The Marcy Recumbent MagCycle offers 8 different intensities of magnetic resistance, so it suits people of varied fitness levels. Using these 8 settings, you can create your own workout program by switching up the difficulty during the session. While in operation, the Marcy Recumbent bike is quiet and stable, suitable for use while you watch TV or with your kids sleeping in the room next door. While this is a more basic option than many exercise bikes, its low cost makes it a great choice for those on a budget or who aren't sure that they'll use it much and thus hesitate to make a large investment. One satisfied owner calls her Marcy Recumbent MagCycle very quiet and a good value for money. Another was happy to find that the assembly was easier than they thought it would be. A writer from BikesReview.com called the Marcy Recumbent easy to mount and dismount, a safety quality that makes it ideal for seniors. A Best Women's Workout Review.com piece called it a budget-friendly exercise bike. At number 3, we have the XTERRA FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. Ironically, the best thing about the XTERRA FB150 Folding Exercise Bike is how little you'll see it most of the time. When folded up, the bike occupies just 17 inches by 18 inches of floor space, so it can be stuffed in a closet, tucked behind a door, or even laid flat and slid beneath the bed that sits well above the ground. Not only can you stash this folding stationary bike just about anywhere, but you can use it almost anywhere too. Even when deployed for use, the bike measures only 18 inches wide and 32 inches in length, so it will fit in even a smaller room. The XTERRA FB150 Folding Exercise Bike has an adjustable padded seat so it can accommodate riders of varied height, and its curved multi-grip handlebars allow you to grasp on wherever is most comfortable. When you take hold of the pulse grip set at the sides of the handlebars, you can keep track of your heart rate, helping you achieve ideal cardio intensity. The bike's small onboard computer also tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned. A simple dial adjusts the resistance difficulty, which is spread across 8 settings. An XTERRA FB150 owner named Mary calls it fantastic and loved the bike's ease of assembly and how comfortable and easy to use it proved to be. A buyer named Ashley said it was quiet and perfect for a workout while watching TV. A HealthFitnessCritique.com review called this compact bike easy to fold down and tuck away when you're not using it, and said it was easy to put together in less than half an hour with the clear instructions and simple tools in the box. At number 4, we have the VIVE Pedal Exerciser. Note, the VIVE Pedal Exerciser is not a stationary bike exactly, but the type of exercise it fosters and the benefits therein gained are quite similar to those achieved with a stationary exercise bike, and this from a unit that costs a fraction of the price and stows away in any home, office, dorm room, or that can be loaded into the trunk of a car and brought along on the road. At just 12.5 inches in height, the VIVE pedal cruiser slips under a desk or table with ease, allowing you to exercise while you work, watch TV, read, surf the web, or any of the other countless activities we do while seated in the course of our modern lives. An LCD screen set into the compact unit tracks metrics including RPMs, speed, distance, and approximate calories burned. But perhaps the best thing about this unique pedal machine is that it doesn't have to be used only as an under-desk leg exerciser. The VIVE pedal exerciser can also be set up on your desk or table for an arm workout. Just grab the pedals with your hands, set the resistance level, and spin away to build arm muscle and burn calories as part of a complete body workout. With hundreds of reviews posted on Amazon, the VIVE pedal exerciser enjoys a strong 4-star rating. An owner named Patty calls it high quality with advanced features, while a fitness fan named Nina found it very sturdy but not too heavy to move around. A top5review.com write-up called the VIVE pedal exerciser a multi-purpose device perfect for low-impact workout sessions for the arms and legs. A healthierland.com review called it portable and petite, and ready to use anywhere you please. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Schwinn Classic Cruiser Fitness Bike. I have a Schwinn Classic Cruiser stationary bike, and I love it. Everyone who sees this bright red vintage-style bike perched there in a corner of my basement remarks on how great it looks. And having used the bike plenty, I can tell you that this thing not only looks great, but it works great too. Once you get past the unique looks, in fact, you get to the actual stuff that matters here. The Schwinn Classic Cruiser stationary bike offers 7 levels of resistance that are controlled by a lever set atop the right handlebar. On the left handlebar sits a manual timer, the kind you twist to set and that clicks along and dings when the time is up. But when the bike is plugged in and connected to your tablet via Bluetooth, you'll quickly realize that it's vintage only in styling. The bike works with multiple popular fitness and cycling apps, including a proprietary Schwinn Classic Cruiser app and the celebrated Ride Social app. With an iPad or other tablet set into the bike's attached media shelf, you can connect with riders around the globe, and/or take a virtual ride through lands including the Australian outback, the plateaus of Tibet, or numerous major metro areas. Using an app, you can also enjoy a myriad of pre-programmed workouts that will maximize the enjoyment of and benefits derived from using this handsome exercise bike. A Schwinn Classic Cruiser owner named Elizabeth loved the sturdiness and simplicity of the design and appreciates the extra soft seat that made it suitable for extended use. And for me, I love that the action of the magnetic resistance wheels remains smooth even at more challenging settings. A DoodleWantThat.com review called the Classic Cruiser vintage only in looks and praised its range of modern features, while a CoolThings.com article noted how its integrated transport wheels let you easily move it around a room. So that sums up our top exercise bikes of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.